Expression for electric potential energy of system of charges. Dear students, we know that a charge kept in electric field possesses electric potential energy by virtue of its position. The electric potential energy of system of point charges is the total amount of work done to bring all the charges from infinity to their respective positions. Note that the charges must have infinite mutual separation at the infinity. Let us first find the potential energy of system of two charges. Suppose charges Q1 and Q2 are thought to be moved from one after another from infinity to points A and B, having position vectors R1 and R2 respectively. Initially, there was no external field against which work needs to be done. And so, work done to move charge Q1 from infinity to point A, that is, position specified by R1, is obviously 0. Of course, charge Q1 will have electric field around it, due to which there exists electric potential at point B specified by position vector R2. It is given by V1B equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 upon R12, where R12 is distance between point A and point B. Now we know that work done on charge is equals to electric potential into charge. Therefore, work done on Q2 equals to V1B into Q2, which is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 into Q2 upon R12, where R12 is the distance between points A and B. As the electrostatic force is conservative, so this work done on charge Q2 is stored as electric potential energy, that is, U equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 into Q2 upon R12. If suppose the charge Q2 is brought first and then charge Q1, still the electric potential energy will be same because the work done does not depend on path. Also, this result is applicable to any sign of Q1 and Q2. If Q1 and Q2 have similar sign, then for these like charges, Q1 into Q2 is greater than 0. And so, potential energy is positive. This is true as work done against repulsive force is positive. If Q1 and Q2 have opposite sign, then for these unlike charges, Q1 into Q2 is less than 0, and so potential energy is negative. This is true as work done against attractive forces is negative. Now let's talk about potential energy of three charges. Suppose charges Q1, Q2 and Q3 are thought to be arrived at points A, B, C specified by position vectors R1, R2 and R3 from infinite distance. Initially, charge Q1 arrived at A from infinity. For this process, work done is 0 since there is no other electric field. Next, we consider Q2 arrived from infinity to position P specified by position vector R2. The work done to bring Q2 is as we calculated earlier. The charges produces potential at point C is which is sum of potentials due to charges Q1 and Q2. Therefore, the work done to bring charge Q3 from infinity to point C is V12 times the charge Q3. Work done to bring Q3 is... The total work done can be obtained by adding the work done to bring all charges to their respective positions, which is nothing but the potential energy due to system of 3 charges. That is, U equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into bracket Q1 Q2 upon R12 plus Q1 Q3 upon R13 plus Q2 Q3 upon R23. This is the expression for potential energy of system of 3 charges kept in external electric field. I hope you understood this video very well.